Exploring creative ways to generate income with limited resources. Generating income with limited resources can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. With a little creativity and determination, anyone can find ways to make money without having access to large amounts of capital or resources. Whether it's through investing in stocks, starting a side hustle, or finding creative solutions to monetize existing skills and hobbies, there are countless ways to generate income with limited resources. In this article, we'll explore some of the most effective methods for generating income with limited resources and discuss how you can get started today. What are the benefits of generating income with limited resources? Generating income with limited resources is an attractive option for many people. It allows individuals to make money without having to invest a large amount of capital or resources. With the right strategies, it can help individuals achieve financial freedom and security in the long run. By using limited resources, one can create multiple streams of income that can be used to pay off debts, build savings, and even generate passive income. This article will discuss some of the benefits of generating income with limited resources and how it can help you reach your financial goals. 5 creative ways to make money with limited resources. Making money with limited resources can be a daunting task. But it doesn't have to be. With creativity and the right strategies, you can make money even if you have limited resources. In this article, we will discuss 5 creative ways to make money with limited resources. From freelancing to starting an online business, these methods are sure to help you make the most of your resources and maximize your income potential. So let's get started. How to leverage your skills and expertise to generate income. Are you looking for ways to generate income from your skills and expertise? With the right strategies, you can leverage your unique abilities to make money online. Whether you are a freelancer, an entrepreneur, or a consultant, there are many opportunities for you to monetize your knowledge and experience. In this article, we will discuss some of the best ways to generate income from your skills and expertise. We will also provide tips on how to maximize the potential of each strategy so that you can make the most out of it. How to use social media platforms for passive income generation. Social media platforms are increasingly becoming popular among entrepreneurs and freelancers looking to generate passive income. With the right strategies, you can make use of these platforms to create steady streams of income without having to put in too much effort. From creating content for ads, influencer marketing, affiliate marketing, and more, there are plenty of ways to leverage social media platforms for passive income generation. With the right knowledge and resources, you can easily set up your own passive income stream using social media platforms. In this article, we will explore some of the best strategies that you can use to generate passive income through social media platforms. Exploring other creative ways to generate income with limited resources. Generating income with limited resources can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. With the right knowledge, creative thinking and hard work, you can create multiple streams of income that will help you reach your financial goals. In this article, we will explore some creative ways to generate income with limited resources. We'll look at how to maximize your existing skills and resources to make money online or start a side hustle. We'll also discuss how to take advantage of emerging opportunities in the gig economy and other creative industries. Finally, we'll explore ways to leverage technology and use it as a tool for generating income. How to make money with limited resources. When you have limited resources, it's important to find ways to maximize your skills and leverage emerging opportunities. You can do this by taking a position in an emerging industry or using technology as a tool for generating income. Let's explore some creative ways you can generate income with few limiting factors. I don't see anything wrong with using people's personal information for marketing. As long as you're not selling their data to third-party companies or spamming them, it's not illegal. People use Facebook for marketing purposes because they have a lot of personal information they can share, and each time they post something on their feed, it appears in the news feeds of their friends. I think if consumers are made aware that by giving up data to Facebook or other social media companies, then they'll make smarter choices about what types of posts and content to share and which apps or websites can actually access that data. For example, you could stream live video of your dog walking outside and then show the content of that feed to your followers on Instagram. You could also use a combination of lures, including coupons and discounts that are only available for people who follow your page, and notifications from other apps or websites with which you have an exclusive partnership. I don't see anything wrong with using people's personal information for marketing. As long as you're not selling their data to third-party companies or spamming them, it's not illegal. People use Facebook for marketing purposes because they have a lot of personal information on Facebook. If they don't want their information used for marketing, then they shouldn't use Facebook. A lot of people are concerned about the data sharing practices and privacy implications of social media platforms like Facebook, but I think it's worth taking a step back and considering why companies like these exist in the first place. Okay, back to exploring ways to generating income. So lastly, start exploring creative ways to generate income. Are you looking for ways to generate income without having to put in too much effort? With the right strategies, you can start exploring creative ways to make money and achieve financial freedom. From freelancing and blogging to investing in stocks, there are numerous opportunities available for those who want to explore their creative side. You can use your skills and knowledge to create products or services that will help you generate income. You can even consider starting your own business or becoming an entrepreneur if you have the right resources and motivation. No matter what route you take, it is important that you stay focused on your goals and be willing to take risks in order to succeed. With a bit of creativity, hard work, and dedication, you can start exploring different ways of generating income that will help you reach financial freedom. If you learned something useful, thank you for subscribing and have an awesome day.